Hi friends, today we are going to be discuss about data structures part 3 dictionaries. Have a look once. Data structures dictionaries. What is a dictionary? In compared to dictionary, words and meaning. Any languages, words and meaning. Here also same convert into keys and values. We couldn't change anywhere on words, but meaning will be changes. Now question is, what is a dictionary? What is a dictionary? Dictionary means, dictionary is nothing but a keyword. Dictionary is keyword contains keys and values separated by colon, separated by colon operator. In this dictionary, keys are immutable. Keys are immutable, but values are mutable. Here look once, immutable means we couldn't change anywhere in the key value, but value should be changes. Where I will explain immutable and mutable. Immutable means where Python object of this type cannot be modified. Of this type cannot be modified. Mutable means where same Python object of this type can be modified compared to dictionary. Words meaning, if you change the meaning but you couldn't change the words, that is the difference. Here is also keys and values. Next point is dictionary denoted by square brackets, curly brackets. Curly brackets. Syntax is variable name key colon value. This is the single data key 1 comma value 1 comma key 2 colon v2 value and so on key n pn. This is multiple data. This is about dictionaries. Now we need to discuss dictionaries attributes. We have a 11 attribute is there. First one is dictionary attributes. Dictionary attributes. First one is clear. It means it is a keyword used to clear the keys and values from the dictionaries. Syntax variable name dot clear. We don't need pass any arguments. Now the next one is copy. It means it is a keyword used to copy the original dictionary data into another dictionary. Syntax variable name dot copy. This is the copy attribute in a dictionary. Next one is from keys. It is a keyword used to it returns dictionary. It returns a dictionary with the specified keys and specified values. It is a keyword used to it returns a dictionary with the specified keys and specified values. Syntax variable name dot from keys. We need to pass keys comma, value. Next one is get. It is also keyword. It is a keyword. Use it to returns the value of the item. Returns the value of the item with specified key. For example, if you pass the key, that values will be displayed. This is the use of get method. If you give any key from the dictionary, that values will be displayed. Syntax variable name dot get. We need to pass two arguments here. Key name value. Next one is items. It is a keyword. Use it to return a view object. View object means contains a key value pairs. Of the dictionary as tuples in a list. We will discuss these all attributes on a Python shell. Don't worry, just know this. What is that? We will explain all examples on a Python shell. Don't confuse. Syntax variable name dot items. We don't pass any arguments. Next one is keys. It is a keyword. Use it to returns a view object. It contains the keys of the dictionary. It is a keyword used to return a view object. View object contains the keys of the dictionaries. Keys only. Keys. Syntax. Variable name dot keys. Variable name dot keys. Next one is pop. I think we know already about pop. We discussed it on a list. Here also same. It is a keyword used to remove the specified item from the dictionary. Specified item will be removed. Syntax variable name dot pop. We need to pass key name default value. Default value. Here is show the keys as a list. Next one is 8th. Pop item. It is a keyword. Used to remove the item was last inserted into a dictionary. If you give keys and values, last key and value will be removed, automatically will be removed whenever use this pop item attribute. We don't pass any arguments. We don't need pass to any arguments. Syntax variable name dot pop item. It will automatically item was last inserted. Last insert item will be removed from the dictionary. Next one is set default. Set default attribute. It is also keyword. Keyword. It returns It returns the value of the item with the specified key. Set to default attribute. It is also keyword. It returns the value of the item with the specified key. We need to pass specified key required. Syntax. Variable name that set to default key name must be required on value, and then 10th one, update. It is a keyword. It is a keyword same as insert operation doing on a list. Here also using insert the specified items from the into the dictionary. Use it to insert the specified items. Specified items to the dictionary. Items to the dictionary. Syntax. Variable name dot update. Iterable. And the final one is values. We done already keys. Final one is values. Opposite on keys. It is a keyword. Use it to returns the view object. It contains values from the dictionary dictionary. Syntax. Variable name dot values. These are all 11 attributes. 11 attributes on a dictionary. We will check Each attribute with examples on a Python shell. Have a look once. Let's see. First one is clear. First, I will take one dictionary with keys and values. This is the syntax. Name, this is the key. This is the value. Again, age. This is the key. Age 25. Marks 93. Grade A1. It is the name, age, marks, grade. These are all keys. Sisindra 2593 A1. These are all values. See line by line. See, now clearly understand. First of all, clear. We need to clear these keys and values. We will use syntax DICT dot clear. We don't need pass any arguments. Print DICT. This is original. This is after clear the dictionary. Please check this and this code. See, this is the original. Name Sisindra, age 25, marks 93, grade A1. After use the clear attribute, this data will be cleared. Okay, understand? This is the clear attribute. Next one is copy. Copy. I will take this dictionary. Now this is the original. We need to store another dictionary and variable. We need to print this variable after copy dictionary. Please, I will check this one. What will get the output? Run this code. See, this is the original. Name Sisindra, age 25, marks 93, grade A1. After copy name Sisindra, age 25, marks 93, grade A1. This is the after copy the dictionary. This is about copy attribute. Next one is from keys. From keys. I will del this one. Yeah. I will take one variable with name as I will take key names. Next one is from keys. I will take some key names. S1, S2, S3, S4. I will give some values of these keys. One. Now we should be use dictionary keyword with from keys. We need to use this keyword. Dot. Don't forget this one. We need to pass this keyword. If you not use this keyword, we'll get error. Otherwise, if you give this one, it will get output. Case. Now we need to pass this variable into this attribute. Finally print this variable. Now this value will be added into these 4 keys. This one value will be added. Same. Let's check. See, S11, S21, S31, S41. I will give another value or 2 values. Comma 3, comma 4. What do you think about this? If you give 4 values, these are not added into single key, means S1 1, S2 2, S3 3, S4 4. This is wrong. This key added into 1 2 3 4. This key added into 1 2 3 4. This key added into 1 2 3 4, and final one also 1 2 3 4 will get this output. Let's check. Don't confuse here. If you give the any values, it should be added into same values in each key. This is about from case. Next one is get. Get. I will take one dictionary. Name S1, age 25, marks 1000, grade A1. I will use here get attribute. What will get the output? Dict dot get. We need to pass one argument. What you want? Name, age, marks, grade. I want grade. It should be get the values from the grade key. Just print this variable will get output. Save this file, run this code. Name S1 is not defined. Wait, sorry, it should be string. Yeah, A1. This grade of key store the value is A1. I will give another one. Name S1. S1. This is the value. If you give the value here, we will not get any output. Just get none. Check. None. Next one is items. We print this one, items. We have already one dictionary. Just I use here with items. What will get results? See, all data will be displayed. This is the item. This is one item, second item, third item, and fourth item. And then we will store this item into one variable. We will give list of data with added into age. Print D. What will get the output? We need to pass 30. Age of 30. 30 will be added into this key as a tuple into list. Observe. See, DACT items name. This is a tuple inside a list after inside a tuple. Name S1 age 30. There 25. Marks 1000. Grade A1. This is a use of items attribute. I will give another one. We should be give keys required. Will give another value. Please observe. See, marks will be added into 2000. 1000 replaced with 2000. This is about item. Items attribute. Next one is keys. Keys. We just pass key what will get. Check this output as no attribute key. Sorry, keys. See, all data will be displayed. Wait, have a look once. Keys means added the keys from a dictionary. It returns as a list. Check here. This key will be added into this dictionary. This key will be added into this dictionary with a list. Observe, this is the list type. This is about keys. Next one is, I will tell this one. Next one is pop. Pop means removes. DACT dot. We should pass one key name. Print D. Have a look once. I will run this code. See, this is the marks value. Yeah, this is the key and value is 1000. If you want to del this key, just use this one. We need to pass one position. Please observe, D is not defined. Okay, DACT, sorry. See, name, age, grade. Marks data will be deleted from this dictionary. I will give another one. Check. Name has been removed from this dictionary. Next one is pop item. Pop item means it removes the last inserted item. I will look once here. It dot Observe, we don't need pass any arguments. If you use this attribute, last inserted data will be removed. Observe, this position of data will be removed from this dictionary. I will run this code. Observe, see, name, age, marks, grade will be deleted. Grade has been deleted. Next one is, this is about pop item. Next one is set default. Set default. Set default means if you give key and values default values. I will use here DACT dot set default. If you think this into JKL, what will get output from this set default? See, 1000. What you give, you are given this value, but it should be written set default value from the dictionary. I will give another value. What will you get? See, 1000. If you give grade, what will get output? A1, but you are given here B1. Didn't assign default. See, A1. You couldn't be change any position in the data. So this is a set default, and if you give another name with any key, you don't give these keys, another key, give white, it should be get output C white. Both are not equal. This is a default, this is a new one. So if whenever you give these keys from this dictionary, you should get only this value. Please observe S1. This is about set default attribute on a dictionary. And next one is update. Update means insert the data. If you want to add the another key and a value, you should be use this attribute. Observe, DICT dot update. You should be taken curly brackets, percentage. You should be given key 25. Let's check this output. See, person key and value has been added. Next one is final one, values. Now I will use here dot values. We don't need pass any arguments, but we store this one variable. I will give list type of one key from this dictionary. Observe what will get the results. We get these dictionaries values only we will get. Print D. See, only values will be displayed. I will give another name, marks. See, values has been displayed. This is all attribute using on a dictionary and Python. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share your friends. I will update next topic on a data structure in a Python very soon. Thank you for watching this.